Hey, so today we're going to be talking about the AiRROBO. This is their pool vacuum and what comes inside the kit here. So you're going to notice you're going to get your actual robotic pool cleaner. You're going to get your power adapter. You're going to get your hook and retrieval hook. You're also going to get your user manual and a little bit of a maintenance kit here as well. Let me show you kind of what's inside here, nicely packaged. Here's going to be your instruction manual. This is going to be your retrieval hook that you're going to attach to your pool cleaning pole. These are going to be your extra little attachments. They give you some extra parts in case you need them. And then, of course, you're going to get your power adapter here. Now, this is nicely packed inside. You're going to get your pool robot here. It's a really solid unit. There's a nice handle in the front here. So this is everything that comes in the kit as far as unboxing it. Okay, so the AiRROBO pool vacuum unit is a fantastic cordless and convenient unit for cleaning your pool. This is great for in-ground pools. Easy maintenance, no more of those tangled hoses floating around your pool. Really super easy to use. And this is a really smart cleaning pool robot. So let's check out some of the features. Underneath, down here at the bottom here, you're going to notice it's going to have this nice cavity here. This is your vacuum cavity. So this robot's going to be powered by 3 131-watt motors. So underneath here, nice pool cleaning cavity. So this has got 10 times the cleaning power of most other vacuums. So the amazing vacuum is going to give you superior suction and get all that debris out of your pool. And it's going to have 40 GPM of filtration speed. Now, if I turn it right around here, you're going to notice these amazing caterpillar treads here. Now, this is going to actually climb the walls of your pool. Yeah, climb the walls of your pool. And then it's going to stop at the top and it's going to clean that water line. Now, note those heavy duty scrubbing brushes here on the back. This is going to make sure that you get everything nice and clean, right? Now, if I turn this over here on the side, you'll notice that here's your charging port. Really important to note, after you've done charge this, right, you want to make sure that you screw this back on tightly, make sure no water gets in there. Really simple here. So off, auto, which is going to mean it's going to clean both your floor and the wall, or if you want to be specific in terms of your overall maintenance, you're just going to want to put it on the floor or on the wall itself. Now, the overall weight of this unit is about 30 pounds. All in all dimensions, 14 inches here, 12 inches across, and 8 inches tall. Okay, so now we're ready to put this bad boy to use here. What we're going to do first is make sure that we screw in this nice and tight here over on the side. This is where that power charges in. Make sure no water gets inside. Simply on the front here, I'm going to turn it on to auto. And what I really like is this nice handle back here in the back, so I can just simply slide this into the bottom of the pool and let it do its thing and submerge. So the AiRROBO uses an intelligent nav system to clean the pool. So it has this nav cleaning technology, which means it combines high performance positioning and nav chip with sensors. Basically, it's going to assess the dimensions of your pool and it goes right to work. You can see how now it's starting to climb my walls here, starting to get to understand the pool and the dimensions overall. Now it's going to come up and clean the water line as well. So give it a minute. When it gets to the other side, it'll come up and clean that water line. It's going to scrub off that film and collect that debris. Now, the max coverage of this is going to be 1,830 square feet. And as far as overall depth, you're going to look anywhere between 9 feet to 9 feet 3 inches. Now, notice here, it's going to come and climb up the wall, which I love those super duper caterpillar treads as we spoke. And when it gets up to the top here, it's going to sit up at the top and clean that water line. Now, when it's finished cleaning, it's got this really cool smart parking system, so it's going to be easy to retrieve. The battery life on this is a spectacular 2 solid hours, and it's equipped with a 5,200 mAh large capacity battery. It also has a smart charging feature, so turnaround time for this is going to be a breeze. It's only going to take you 2.5 hours, and you're ready to clean again. All right, so now the pool vacuum is all done with its self-parking. I'm just going to use the extender hook here, grab the robot out of the bottom. I like to always let it rest here for a minute to make sure that all the water drains out. Empty out the basket. All that yucky stuff. Simply going to take a hose. All clean, just like new again. Easy, no problem. All set. Nice, easy pool robotic vacuum. Hope this review helps.